Okay, guys, this is the giver test. I'm going to read questions 1 through 15, and then I'm going to read questions 16 through 25 on a separate recording. Um, so you don't, because these are two different types of questions. Okay, question 1. Make sure you're following along on your paper copy and looking in your book. And when you get the paper copy, there probably will be more page numbers than what's shown here currently. So, because some of these page numbers are from the old book before we got the new books. Okay, question 1. The setting of the giver is D, set in present times, C, a dystopian society, B, from medieval times, A modern society. Question 2. The effect or the result of committing a major wrongdoing or breaking a rule in Jonas's community is D, released from the community, C, jail, B, community service, A, death. Question 3. What does a family in Jonas's community consist of? What is it made up of? D, parents may choose any combination of children to raise. C, the number of children in a family depend on the assignments that the parents hold. B, parents may have as many children as they wish. A, 2 children, 1 male and 1 female. Question 4. Children are classified or categorized according to their D, parents' assignments, C, their age, B, their grade in school, or A, their potential. Number 5. What is the major climax or turning point in the novel? D, it's when Jonas stops sharing dreams and feelings with his family, and he begins asking questions and lying. C, it's when Jonas receives the assignment of the receiver during the ceremony of 12 and his relationships with his friends change. Or it's B, when Jonas realizes his father actually kills babies when releasing them and wants to change things in the community. Or is it A, when Jonas's family acquires or gets Gabriel, and since they have a third child, they are required to report their family's activities? Question 6. At this year's ceremony of 12, the chief elder apologizes to the community for D, the last receiver failing, C, skipping over a child, B, making a mistake, or A, causing them anxiety. Question 7. Which statement best describes the ceremony of 12? D, the 11s choose their own new assignments. C, the 11s must make speeches to the community. B, the 11s are called up by number to receive assignments. A, the 11s are assigned to a new family unit. Question 8. What can the reader infer about Jonas's feelings for Fiona? Infer means what's not being said. D, he is upset that she does not discuss things with him. C, he believes she likes Asher. B, he may be in love with her. A, he thinks she cannot do her assignment. Question 9. Jonas's biggest fear on his journey to elsewhere is D, that he will have to return to the community, C, that he will lose all of the memories, B, that he will not be able to save Gabriel, A, that he will freeze to death. Question 10. The result of people having stirrings was D, you must talk with a parent nightly to work through these feelings, C, the community leaders enforcing stricter rules, B, having to take a pill to suppress or get rid of your feelings, A, separating the girls from the boys. Question 11. Which description best describes Jonas's training instructions? Remember his training rules? D, he may ask questions, he may not tell a lie, he may tell his parents his memories. C, he may be rude, he may lie, he may apply for medication whenever necessary. B, he may not lie, he may turn off the speaker, he may ask questions. Or A, He may lie, he may be rude, he may not apply for release. Question 12. One of the few community rules not taken seriously is D, eating meals outside, C, always discussing one's feelings with the family after the evening meal, B, never going to the Hall of Open Records to learn one's birth mother, A, learning to ride a bicycle before the age of 9. Question 13. Jonas's assignment is D, recreation director, C, chief elder, B, receiver of memory, A, nurturer of all children. 14. If a birth mother has identical twins, D, she keeps one of the twins, C, the twins are assigned to different family units, B, both twins are released, A, one twin is released. Question 15. Jonas's mother works in the department of D, sanitation, C, education, B, health, A, justice.